Hi friends, the Baker Mama here. Happy Valentine's. I am so excited to share one of our absolute favorite Valentine traditions with y'all today, a cheese and charcuterie heart box. Isn't that so festive? Save your chocolate box next time you get one, and you can turn your cheese and charcuterie into this festive box to enjoy with your loved ones. Let me show you how it's done. I've used the same box for years now. As long as it has several compartments, it will work great. Gather small portions of your favorite cheeses, meats, and accompaniments. Slice strawberries to look like hearts and cut dried apricots and cheeses into heart shapes with a mini cookie cutter. Start filling the compartments in the box with the cheeses. We love to include brie, white cheddar, and blue cheese. Fold salami and roll prosciutto to place them in compartments in the box. I love how the rolled prosciutto looks like little flowers. Now add your favorite accompaniments. Fresh fruits like raspberries, apples, and strawberries, honey and a mixed berry jam, a variety of crackers. Aren't those heart-shaped crackers so festive? Dried apricots and cherries, nuts like pecans and sesame cashews, pickled items like olives and cornichones. And don't forget the festive treats like colorful chocolates and gummies. Speaking of treats, you can use the lid of the box to create a dessert board for the whole family to enjoy. Fill it with a colorful selection of Valentine's-inspired goodies. Such a treat. This is one of our favorite Valentine's traditions. If you enjoyed this festive inspiration, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. And check out thebakermama.com for even more recipes and inspiration. Enjoy. See you next time.